In this video, I want to get you ready to learn how to store a float. If you look at the board behind me, at the very top it talks about E notation. And E notation is another way to really do something that we call scientific notation. When we were little kids, this is what we learned. So if you take a look up here at 746,000, we can say that that is equal to 7.46 times 10 to the fifth power. So if you move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places over, 7.46 times 10 to the fifth power. That's scientific notation. If in fact you want to use E notation, which is what computer science people do because there's no superscript, we can convert 7.46 times 10 to the fifth to 7.46 E5. E5 replaces times 10 to the fifth. Now this is E notation. And E notation is a very efficient way for us to store data inside the computer. Also, to store a float, we have to remember how to do our conversions. So 27.6, when you convert it to binary, is 11011.1001. Okay, so this is a conversion from decimal to binary. Now, when you store data in a float is 4 bytes big. And these 3 bytes here, 1, 2, 3, are reserved for decimal to binary conversion. That's where this 11011 and then 1001 repeating, that's where all that's going to be stored. The E notation will be represented right here in these 7 bits. This is for the E notation. And this 1 bit here is for sign. If the value you want to store is positive, we leave this off. If it's negative, we turn this on. These 7 bits here are for E notation. Now there's a little trick with the E notation that you need to know. And that trick will be explained in the next video.